So guys, this is unboxing. I ordered this on the internet. This is brake disc. Here you go. This is Margarita. This is 300 millimeter disc brake. So I ordered this together with this one, but they sent me the wrong item. This is for Brembo. I wanted the one with the original brake, so I bought also this one. This is for the original Nissan on the Forza. So this is good. This is thick. This is like the one that they use in motorcycle. So it's larger, it's bigger. Let's see. So this is it. So it will look like this. Okay. It will look like this. And this is the adapter. We put it here. Put it here, and the caliper, original caliper, you mount it here. So this is designed for the original caliper. This is like the old one is like 260, and I hope it will be better because it's larger. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is from, I bought this from the internet. It's made in Japan, I think. So this is movable, I think. This can be moved. So this is Margarita. Nice. CNC machining, Japan. This is Japan. So that's it, guys. I have to, maybe one of these days I will mount this. One of these days I will mount this. And I will show you how to mount this. So I have already bought, I also bought brake pads. So changing the disc, you gotta have a new brake pads. Even if your old brake pads is it's not consumed, you have to change. So I choose this. This is Brembo also. Brembo 07074XS. This is sinterized bronze. So this will be like this. Okay. I hope it will improve my the brake, and it will adjust the braking power. So guys, that's it. Well, I will mount this and I will let you know. I'll tell you how to mount this. So bye for now. Peace.